na me catch coach Hamo say memma place ni be week me week yom na e be show mu 15 minutes na ya share Facebook but mo yasi ball ni da ball no rapolo ampa 15 minutes share go na me wo park no go no ba pe na me fi park no mami o place ni na din me show obi a yes obenya seka of football over the future na ya yi saade no e adani amam
wow
yeah me who social media bi mu say enni sami say yam pesa ye be yi nsam epi pele se pi o ma kotra sabre o be ko sabre ya to o destiny
bo nso ni mbo
o be kotra so be ko bo so bibi no o be pra ya to ya UEFI system I said it ya be show mo first half 3-1 na before nso no be start ball no be start nso be to 15 minutes na ya obi an koto chale what no from ball for ya be show mo 6-1 90% of people who from say shake your Judy by any Egypt na ebo ya pom ball 6-1
sure
into nipa say or my money say blaster kobobo na attending the chairman because you see or not tabu wo bon krofudi o ball no be say nka so ball o sorry na padere so yi that's how we got
television CK YouTube musha subscribe na yes adete YouTube musha muscosrise dey je fe wati o ba logo ankole machine gege mo fi an o ba logo. Okay, exclusive interview on television CK Abrason say so edam obiem ene nyankopon adom no ye be interview a eson by tre enye baida abrewa agio ye ne the famous Sheikh Muhammad Sani Nakambu ena ebabidi enkomo openino sunsumu wi ase onimu yie onye baida abrewa agio onye bo fanda de fa ogina ho pintin we si pempim wo sunsum wi ase onimde ekopa na nyankopon adom ne nya akonya ene na ebabidi enkomo ne o ma bebre na waya se Ghana for dodo na enim no onye baida abrewa agio yenkwe na yene Sheikh Muhammad Sani Nakambu ending komo channel so be subscribe to this particular channel second stay yeba yene Sheikh ending komo Sheikh apome
yami ado
me da say so busy schedules nyina no wenya bre ama yen ene ye ending komo se bibia ye
bibia boko
ebusuafo nso ho ye
obi an ho ye
Sheikh yeba ya na aya said na say umbia football biem yenim de waye wo football mu eni mu nkro ne ba ayese na nse ye nche nka ede na esie
oh alhamdulillah rabbil alamin wa sallim ala sirrillah muhammad rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam maybe won se me kan some word we fi se maybe ya bo mami wata bidin da bi esimi se asidan kan yankopon ay dia dance yese Commissioner Muhammad Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam or you sum up from Almighty Allah. Na football say maybe a be ya kum. If I get you right.
Sure, that's
mashallah. And yes ya kum nyankopon kasa sa wure fina no no so ni wure fiu. As footballers no any club owners no amunya fairness maye in terms of what my promise na football hono sane ni ejuma ye den and yet is they say ukita ebu 100 me so kita 100 ye toto na me e obi to no maybe no baby a me to me the fa no maybe ebu no factory no hono wonti me 100 ne sa maybe metema fabi from baby a ebi gu me chinato maybe we dey short because so that's we call it waste and miss. If you waste it, you mix it. But nipa be bread almost 1 week on that, just to push you. Na victory by we are now in psychological no person me say oh a good coach, good players, motivation was through, and in a boa once any paper idea or let me a share ball, big balls because of the paint. Ba ni saka wia that time no chere say padi we pen no pay because na ye oni pa see so na ye oni pa see so time no open die new rate fin for 60 or more each. Nti Mr. Chreme Brekum Chelsea is a very good man. They be a program my friend din or you be a
did the bosses
want to mean catching point say mammy sikasi because of the fairness or yeah. Or catching say a year bessary and a year swa. I don't think so over faka kon was a who promises or dini ni bosses. But to say other club members kasapi nti amami sisi football no maybe this say the ball na maybe wo pese member predict ya na ma hwene ma mudie mehu na me da todwa
ya baba enokra so but emprebebre no woni bi mudi nkomo a omo pese omo kire say football no wow modern ball if you have a good coach auto players a papa eno ano no we say means bi enim eno aya osom sen o te sansem na
wo ni omo ya adwen ana
o say
wo ni omo ya adwen
obi ase de bibi wo ho me tight ena me pese mi busaw
ma me nchiro wade ese ma ba mo take me I don't think say ma set bibia ya okay anka mo ba na anka mo fa de ne nto hoy na no nka san start say take me so what me say but one of befa na operating at the end of the day no na di open no winsaka football ni dey say we say edro eti say yesi motia motia ya body bia nyankopo ka okura animals innahum yarawnakum min haythu la tarawna mama mutumia omudi hum sise na mu nipa da se ni mama mutumia mudi hum but what God is trying to say nyame mpese be tautology. I hope you understand the meaning of tautology.
Sure.
Nyame mpese be tautology. So ese umbre and sana maybe just say the hahan bi aka hahan bi ye the perfume bi aka perfume bi ye the sam bi aka sam bi ye the days bi ashia days bi and sana we hu say partition na cover hu motian and sana we hu say that we are not going to see them come. So sana spiritualism and ya sabiti say tomatoes. E wo market unya wurum no tomatoes wo beto ahin wo beto ahin that be so any 30 or 40 or 50% evidence that ho say spiritualism eni yakoto ye dey ba e credit ye ni yakoto ye be bo ahye phone dey bi e ya dibia this ugidie wo ho and intina I work with prediction because of nsan microphone na ya moji etin dey say say me catch you say 1,000 cities and a shemi kotokum odi etin no be na 1,000 cities you have to believe me
sure
sana meka nti sonta wo be call doctor na nya oni neti anya oni neda but obe bisaw asem ba ku minu we fi say oti wu because e na ejuma so you have to believe him but we ya waso den oni me say me dey we say but because of me person every coach be a person you stamp it say maybe coaches be buying chain but the end of the day mo win match na against the profession say we be catch and say eduro na abuane na wa wini obeka che say ejuma na wa kwasua ni
442 enti na me
ama ana 10-10-2 san obeka che
10-10-2
yes I'm saying something
sure, of course
san ebe ya odo obeka che say oya de but kasa ni mi say ya so manches bi ewa ase ansana ni vision etimi bem say e rainy season so to na ade na ukwadua obro di fertilizer kan believe in yankopona nyame wodua friends bayre ade na se wodi chemical bayre ne be kese ahabo e nyame wodidi nyame atem ahabo wodidi nyame atem say obi si waye some waste and means fertilizer bi ebe ma asase no ama wodua de oso a na bayi ade nyankopon oba asase no nimso oba asase ni yi ana so never be on when you young city and we deep and yes I will be the rock of God. So the issue about spiritualism and football any ball sometimes I just think say ukwa kolebua uko cardio bi anim say cardio no they are especially for blood pressure. Unai bu no uko cardio omu ni knowledge. Ubon obi okita the name, the general name said doctor. nso ese ho adwuma na oye oyemu ya oyodi agobeku oni yem knowledge saa na uba
specialize on teeth. He's a dentist.
Yeah, saa na uba huhu so a ye wa enkrofo a they can work football. And you obiya keke so oyo konfu keke. So ese yen ko hunu debi oyesa asa wo ko nima na akofa eburu kwan so na wo dada wo sa wo ko nima. Onimi se nima eni eburu kwan so spiritualism our football mu even the white omuye the called saint and the meaning of saint is holy. Your one book you call it the 6 and 7 book of Moses. A spirit book do abrocha most of top clubs in omuye but I hear something like omudi nyansa nsabi kan nti say yemu obi pava ka okita ko obi baba ka okita nkosi obi kita abra no ma jene ye hu se de waye ni but abrofo perfumes na ye di edwuma ni no omo no moye o call US there Florida water you see ye na 1908 US for na ye were dey for celebrate
Florida water.
Yeah, but it's a spiritual perfume. It's America I'm to celebrate time no do amu bia no bobia bompa ehwie gufo but akoye say obroni ema wonsu a eni de efri nyame ba bibini ma wonsu a de eni de efri bonsam so yankasa ya nye first test e won say spiritualism wo football man na ni football no e depend ni pa ko be committee no a niam obeya ama a di obeka kire a match against ye in Egypt obia wo man
7 no
6-1
sorry
obia wo man we mu me kasa wa a friend saying how do you call it asempa mini Wallace I said it you be sure mo first half 3-1 na before nso no be start ball no be start nso be top 15 minutes na yan obi an koto chale what no from ball for you be sure mo 6-1 90% of people who from say shake ye Judy by the Egypt na ebo ye hwe bebia ball na bebia koto enye bebia ye ball ni fi ye bebia koto na ye ye pom ball 6-1
sure
into nipa say o man mu na say blaster ko ball na atani ni chairman because you see ono tabu wo bon crofudi o ball na on pese nka so ball sorry na padene so ye esa wonjare esa what me say nkofu say me kasa shake kasa so ye ban your hoe is true but I tell you we have fairness but nobody will call your name so spiritualism our football papa yes you ever about spiritualism
how does it work saying a ejuma because say 11 players
yeah
opponent na wo ye die tia no our solid team
yeah
just imagine
yeah
oh yama team bit say Fankoba 11 no ni Barcelona akoba how is it possible so ubetimi ayama Fankoba for no match a Barcelona side with Messi how can it
mama more example to player of Drax di Bobo ono oni ahodi ba wakono mu wi ana wanu awi ano wosu ukita wa honi e ba ne tem say of ye be can about obi oba fit ana obi oba overwork mpacho mu menu hwan ne be
yeah one bibi no
sana spiritualism
na ba se team bi wo ho a utimi te enya convincing enough untimi ma enei Legon Cities enche Barcelona football bibi a wumba
and me catch you say just say unya good spiritualism my remember example a match against Mariners against FC Nania abedipele team Mariners mo chairman oyobi osum nyame pa so I believe say we should fast boy for ye motivate the how do you call the players you know ye bompa in nyame kwan mu ba on believe say enko baby nti coach Hamo a friend say onya ne baby koyi na owo the Youngsters na me so me ye djuma ma team bi wo osu ye from Digo Stars
afebe ansem ni
oh asem wa che minti bin kai Digo Stars no so no more division 2 and sana mimi ko twem na me so mo ye train na me gina na me hwe because my football no da so mo ye train na me say mo no bobo na mo qualify so mo comfort bi okita team for 8 years ni na me say mo chama mo nkacha mo chama so mbe hu me mama ba division 1 agoro mo hwehwe mi nti so wonim baby a wokwan na obedu ba wonim baby a wokọ obegusu chi sana about 11 o'clock na jo wonim baby so ombe hu mi am pass me mo qualify that year but bo mo share ye o man disu ka na mo promise ka na mba so o mo captain ye friend Mensa that time I frɛ kwa United asase abayen tija o ma show bia so match no mba be bono against okwa wo be show mo Okofodua 3-0 na wo ko mo hode se won se be brutal
de wufo no
yeah so set ye bua de wu chama
yeah
aba catch out this issue so e ba ne se captain di omo bon ka me ho asem kire mo no mo ba me nche no omo ba se ni na pa na me o Madina omo ba me ho na me catch mo se mo be se mo win o si an o si ba chama si onko team manager si onko obi asi onko team coach ni two executive and them friends and team in travel and so mo be se mo win o si an o si e win amema o sika pa na me se mati mo mbra en kwa na me de omo call cemetery ena me ye de me ya mo ena me so mo nko because that time na commentary in Shadan Doors so about 7 and 7 o'clock news GTV the dewu chama tena ho or promise me 150,000 that time which is 1.5 no me wa that time is kakesi into tena ho no ti say dewu kwa wu nail dewu tu onjin de ti say o ti say nkofu tie me dewu no tu ni ka this can brand na national so sa coach Hamo we coach dewu sa and sana me so me mpe team omo use spiritualist because me dey white work of a black aba e be my place ni prapra so me use mo yes and na matwem so me be jawom the end of the day ni the whole issue no quite something like obe coaching Mariners tama Mariners so buy say be Bob so be shen ho so e be do baby no mo lose match 2-3 years until ne Pele that first until Pele Pedro e dey qualify for middle league and the Mariners per win. Now we share first round for a 2-0 against Mariners. I want Ngwa or Tesh. Now I heard in from class is a question that will be signed. So regional football association, which current chairman Samuel Abuabiria, Qatar, and Coach Hamo Bisan say he found me who sani. Oh, sani pa na power obaha. O se fani number mami. Nte be do baby no Mariners chairman no o kasa on se chairman bia o se scanner results mo kasa. Nte no kasa o mo ni mo kasa mi so o man win match we a obeja team ni. Nte o kasa o me ni fine. Ani na ma coach Hamo 2 and am but that time me share lace da. Me share me ni ma dey friend lace. So me share lace na me so ma send pa e fro coach Hamo. Mashallah. I no promise me say me oba me on see so bua me na me win match we me ma o lace bi and yes me the free Lagos na ba me share poda na ma sam ma 2 million account and me say o say I na me say churo Pele names the mo place names in Fabrem so we share the wu I say be share that kwesi that the anajo no so Jordan Anyagbela oba me ho nyame mari baby papa nda oba me ho anajo no over two say me twetwa violet material. I know much about spirituality. Ntobe hu say me twetwa violet material. That's the color of the day. Nti me twetwa ena me so nso mu mami. So ma no so our pelechi because at that time no the Palace biscuit na sponsor juvenile football coast. Nti na iso bempeli. Into twetwa man me so man catch ya nkyere no because be catch na nko be confuse because nipa na ye so man catch ya nkyere na me catch coach Hamo say memma place ni be ye week me week yom na ye be show mu 50 minutes na ya share Facebook but bo yasi ball ni da ball no rapolo o si na kan ken me nko coach but mu dress via mu mix color no Munfa white top no mo isu blue down ata me say research of this name ni ho so mo misi kala nti o mo pie pe no bob no bisa o mo say jama district mu ko Muslim prayers ana mo kasi ai 50 minutes pe no so coach catch Bob say me see 15 minutes go ne baba na on be bo wiase bo no ampa 15 minutes share go na me wo park no go no ba pe na me fi park no so na me ko fi amu bo wiase ball ni na bo na nkopo no ye share mo one so it depend unu asa akwada wakoto na ntwe sere atoto wudi bibia him akwada ni si on do baby so on win nam to the nomination in mo pra no oh yes spirituality no spiritualist no sayaria maintain there so what I say but would castle back rawra bibia nya wejum the end of the day no na obi me use word sanka draw football ma sanka beni afa sanka draw football ma anka India obi antumi om sanka draw football ma anka ariti you anka relegation it doesn't work like that and namsa and nam jidi awu mini wo awa ba min chen say Sheikh, I want to ask you one of two questions about spiritualism. Let me see, bra. Now, only me kasa say, who did you know no more nkwan dia? Only me say me spiritualism. So I don't go by journalists putting something in my head before going to interview. Until to correct spiritualist, go and ask a journalist. The more na who di bibisha now, no maybe obeya just to make you popular. But I tell you, do a problem don't see challenge me on point because on so no upon people. So about spiritualism, some nyama different. Me bra about spiritual. It is a motivation. You believe that same motivation you do football?
Sure.
Okay, me so me be some quest. Oh, good coach, good players, no more winning match, no bonus. Second match. No bonus in psychological and very effective.
Sure, of course.
This is a way to my juma. Who named to me juma?
Now what Trebi say players no wiki. No a bre on your free, but which means a bre on say so.
Sir.
Which means a particular minute ago, beba.
Yes.
And I am in Hunkakra.
My man, you because yes, sir, in a gusu ye. We has in the protocol. Said 2 weeks, I said it. But because the last summer before town be by league in the best stopping, I said a house against Kumasi Asante Kotoko. I'm a Turi. Me ba Empire be can say. Nde 2 goals soon. So be never share the any Kotoko for no mukita 2 goals. So Aziz Haruna Futa. Obetina Asempa Akikan Sema Ope. Say Sheikh no Ope say Yunhunu. Shaking up and said, David. Duani anya there, yeah, adverting different. And the Duani there, Ubaka or Drew. It doesn't sound well. And it's a trouble to make sure I see 2 na bima. So Babette equi. So Ubano will see 2 neighbor, you say Kabama and so said, remember, some catches a 2, 3 neighbor. Me all the time, me no be argument, but I refer some catch will say a baby, so then also problem. And in psychology can be suit to me be on in football, no suit to me working calculate. Afa. But intimate emphasis spiritualist. And so until whoever say football, lack in him, we have something called good day and bad day, good week, good month, bad month, good season, bad season, and good year, a bad year. And we have something called color of the day. We take color of the day. Yeah. So my book could be ever starting in European comedy by Matun Din said The Secret of Colors.
The Secret of Colors. About out.
Oh, them is here.
No, but Tom.
After the lunch.
Okay. National lunch no life.
No, be lunch. So me kasano. Aziz Haruna Futa, coach if imam or catches and me critique confident. But in psychological so yampa. Ebi mo ko bo match. Na the end of the day, what betinas will say e be sure mo say. In psychological to me effective.
Now, you see, you change score line so. Utimi who say, kona yasisano, a bra game no air coso.
Yet me, yeah. My ye BP, even
match is bad, no.
The way against has. Me ye be yet me cancel go. Yet me sesango. Yet me jilak will be in chain. Yet me top 5 player shebre. Ne, yet ya winning match, and player and one no.
Shimukakra.
Good. Your place if you are because of Anyaisi because you bobom within CCR or club owners and up to na be my jai football but mama make it. I bet I didn't send P and yes sir and can you bobo because me kasa me so me kasa mo I know what I'm doing maybe mo kobobo winning nim ya ye day bia winning nim even Palmer Palmer onya sika no nkwa na odi anko kai ya kai so e be kai no but he's my football friend but it's not my spiritual friend but because one current blaster team manager ye fan and say a friend Marty no ye big man we juma bi so no a match out of Lions against Tama Youth nti me be program see no approach him no friend me so match we mu ni lack
Tama Youth
no Marty no Tama Youth team no me say mu ni lack say sa me say so infa na me wo pese o me hu me na me so e kira bra me so mu ni lack nko na take me wo ball e kira nsa na mo friend nti or show interest say or believe on me na me so okay Marty mama ma win match no o say na me say mama ma win match ma mu ni lack sa samo uba correct cause sa body boy na koto net ni channel left no say go
sure
yet me the bri left yet me bobo they who against with the advancement me na me side human across post the left no collapse here ni na me side human na me start human was since 1991
wow
ya che was system no 1991
yet me the fat referee so
ya bet me the fat referee so
otime gi penalty bi na enye penalty
on kasa even Mediama against Ebusunya Dwarfs
yes
I mean you mo benya sa problem yes me kawa se me left be gi force penalty so we compare clip no show but say Dwarfs chiri violet e wo mu si
ai penalty no na nim
no gi penalty so yet me the fa into some of the referees no mo border am be than referees no mo ntina hokwa mo ko bobolo mo so mo fa baby just to protect yourself mo ye
and na nya nsem na na see wo football ma e say u blame obi keke
say u dey in psychological just take it say mistake amba wallahi tallahi baby tamna why later ukokuruma ukoko sign documents na afa we juma no obi original traffic light ma omo so no so ton niam no no so mpai bo as a traffic nchi no ntimi ton niam
wow
nti baby say no
na baby yeye
baby yeye that's the meaning of spiritualism say any na your cultural exam na pass university graduate ya anka obola e ma ho na bebesa so bola ba waro oba obeka so mpeni esa what me say
it not say we are bibia no spiritualism wom
oh treasure jindi say spiritualism of football maybe some question King Pharaoh and Moses no mo ku a spiritualism no mo ku ana no mo ku physical na kono ye kono dede bai nyankupo se fa opuma no fa kire pono
e mu bebie
you see baby all baby spiritualism so it is the spiritual control the physical ano mo o fi say onu Pharaoh hu say nsu akobeko nti baby spiritual enya ade asabi ye ton wo store so you say akronfo mu nam no mo separate so mo sa hia bioma krono nkomo no mo bo go Barcelona ni Chelsea nkomo if you don't know the team don't talk about the team but yentimi mpie nipa na me boldness because I have the knowledge, the Quran knowledge, the Bible knowledge, I have knowledge. Only me kasounds with some argument maybe. Me nye brodaton so 70 days. I'm a very wise person. So only me kasa ube watch ya me pen me a friend spiritual is ya me to me ba ebe explain ye much ni pa se bi sa wa bodam po e beto utim. But at the end da ho say to me nye possible say ube be my explanation up fresh spiritual be o me very powerful but o me to me nkasa abe eresa yan catch say kotokoni has me some of the journalists for no kasa were happy oh yes ye bobo ni nyansa wo say do ba who believe say to me two nyansa na ehye ni party na enye wo no boy ba nipa da say to me two weduro na wa ma wa bodam eno do waji
yenhwe bibi Maxwell Kunedu ene W Tando not too long ago Kotoko ene Edudiana Stars na a big game emremu de omonye bone no ma she game na say with 10 players in the course so do baby Christopher Nete num every bibi wo mu enum ni ade sanyo man aya na den wo hwa from spiritual point of view no game a kotoko ene eduana boy na senete
mami ma example be of Jesus Christ ansana ma ba question me kasasa me charge maybe say question be escape him now odi be aba back me person me be say question Jesus Christ tamona o ma nsuo da ne wine no uhun say odi gas be to ho ona onua wine ana
dabi enya sa no mo eka no
uhun say o ma duani ba no uhun say obetutu duani ana
dabi ofre naba
mashallah nti we have magic and Sunday you are dear friend to me. Dear course, that's the last week Sunday or Wednesday. Is it Sunday?
Sunday.
Dear course, even me my ebida. My ebi different. Karim Zito or coach Dream Stars.
Under 20 coach.
Yeah, minimum. Me working at Kede Hospice and I'm qualify. I'm a promise on man this. In 3-4 months no. And your football ejuma nkwa na ye so maybe we promise 100 million don one maya ye that week na ye ejuma and so within 3 days you better more than that my dream share than you me feel say maybe in 1 year time and a league will start so 3 months time and me some more bomb first match na e wo Kofodua and I'm say what until no thank you po second match third match until me ba Madina na meti se boys in kasa o kotoko ni Kede Hospice na Kede ya buasi obe sha kotoko na ya sua no na omo pass o mati se omo eduru ba ku wo Madina sheki de so yes small boy and me say jama wantie ni yi Kede ya bo na kasa na me pen na ma na me frɛ me say also o me be sha kotoko na ya sua no and me say sa and the member kotoko be show two na we
explain
and no hoda me compare Karim Zito number say na oye busian po minim na me see Karim Zito say am so mo kopa ko mo pe more na mo do river brim na mo peti more no mo say fish na beba no be red no mo di more na first half be draw na second half no my place me no omo yi omo host a dear friend is spiritual direction. Until Jesus Christ tune to so. Or then in some mixy. Under the tin back on. And they need to me or because any BNA. That is spiritual direction.
And the omu host.
Board damn ya but for your major untiasi. And no your one because some beshe 2 second half.
And the omu host near the ball born.
That be placing on multi bench.
Oh, okay.
So we are taking the lack from the bench. Monsieur omu yi host me no ono meshe 2 ono meshe 2 bebi a menim Karim Zito no
na aden na akwankyere no koye mbore na anya bibi foforo
ye said de beba maye eno na yeka say doctor see o ma we duro 3 unni eduro knowledge untim catch doctor aden na undu ni 77 na akoye say Michael Jackson doctor no o tena ya in friend Michael Jackson train do no pe wo no we medical doctor say enti say in fire eduro na nya overdose so science so about spiritualism yes of course you have to ask questions because mumu spiritualist but o bisa sabi na nyansa wo timu wo ba hu say ye ka kire ye mix bi kire say ebe ma wo a different color bi sana spiritualism
from spiritual point of view no enya bibi ba ko na da ne de nyina no say wo ye ebia obi ye spiritualism matimbi or spirit moon sem near there they be or say mumfa we the same thing aya entisa
ebi wo hosa
okay
ebi ho no ma gisa ya sesa enkrofo no tama wo 90 meso mi 90 nti place no mo bobo na spirit ni nkasa o mo challenge omo until ya defeat obi asa na victory na ko bo say last minute go to me ba ebi won wo say early go to me ba eligo ba enua se mo a mo ye din mo so mu mo place ni echi enua se mo so mu defend go no sa se na ye bo a ye challenge sa na spirit no every bodia bia bodia da wo yi ye wo suman anam kare sen suman ye wo spirit ya e control bodia na enye bodia keke nti sa so na se wo se kuku da ho a ye wo spirit ya e control kuku na nda ho keke but the whole issue na akwa is na me see enye any store ye ton.
Okay, good. O kan bibi say yetimi agi obi lack na ye ama team ye hwedin na se kai mo pese mo je leg ene ye be gi we lack e de aba beboa fa efem kakra sen na ye no ati
mami nko club na sana maba place untina player bi wo hono ma odi ne boot to on person obi di ni na bebe shim club mi ma ye bi say 4 or 5 times your clubs bi wo ha o me ba ye pese in fa league at all costs pese on fa league at all costs say ai okay ko 3 days bra mbehwe ne na mun this year ade wo nya wudie this year ade wo nya wudie you are going to force it say me pay so go pay dia and say mami o place ni na din me hwe obi a yes obenya sika of football over the future na ya yi saade no e adane amam
wow
ye me hu social media bi mu say enni sa me say ya mpesa ye be yi nsem epi pele se pi o ma kotra sabre wo be ko sabre ya ton wo destiny
born nso nimbo
wo be kotra so be ko bo so bibi no be pra ya ton ya UEFI system ya di we share friends ya timi UEFI ya do up to credit payroll eno anu no ugusu to credit usu na ye hu call papa bia we sa wo be kotra so be ko be last me what say si wapra wa fi system ni ya ton wo destiny ebi mpoti mi ife ti o mama ai fe ti o mo future ejuma bi o ma be ya ton wo destiny ye into the player bia me nda hokeke se me twem paibo a club de board eni na mi di ko bo wo hu ban wo su bo wo hu ban because team ni nya sabi unya team manager wo team no a wo ho forever wo shine 1-2 a wo be move from another club to another club nti bo wo hu ban enye sa ye be fa o cake aton o kita cake so be di na enye de
mashallah bonyon okay invitiation no uchire mu se utimi boa oji obi hyebre na team bi age crewa na den o boa obi a o se o de na bi age crewa na den o boa obi a o se o de na white we play emphasis on it
me woni ma bia wa ha
wo black white
me wa bonsam ne wa me wonyame ne ma wa o be se fa o fa bonsam kwan so de be fa o pe nyame kwan so de wo be fa tu ye ka chero
we are black and white
me chem black and white
wow
me chem black and white
na black no and white no de we na ya eye edwuma ntem
black ye edwuma ntem ba enche na adwo nti sonte de be ye pe eligo ne de bope ne de white support
o de black no bo na de white support
insanity
na enioma we na we ya side effect ni ho say player aba na waboa no na we nya
depend ne pa ko committee
wo
me
ai wo
me nya ade ma wa me de sie wuda
to be a side effect wo boa no ebe wi ase na
you don't get me me nya ade ma wo say side effect bi wo ho na me de sie wu expect catch me a very plain person asama I catch the nipa 1000 me catch us here in very respect way and very humble way me ko uba me ni ma bia mas we say we are effect e wo mu no so u be sa me say anka unfa di me catch say me mfa we obi wo se na ope ade ni nti
penintem
se na ni abrenti emfa ne hu ni effect e wo obi ya oya muslim yare achine so okay ye wedru yare ne beko wa brent by de me si nsa na wanom obeka se mame na me no na me nya me nkwa because of when will be a dina ye de aduna abreno because say na okom no taki na bro 60-70% neuro fi se wan hohoro ni nsa this is what theater ma ba ko mienu sa na wakai say
me nhoro mi nsa
that time ne so we wu dada sa nkwa so no benya wanya nkwa dada nti yetumi ye edi player shebre edi ye club ebi wo some matches na ebebo match we yedi ese player bi ye ma ni na bu pain your player bi a club bi ba bi nchane me so match we die huntumi no mu ni iron breakers kokompe iron breakers omu ni sa club ena me catch mu say match we die say ye di player bi ye sakani na bu ba o pon ye pon match am fa ni mbrem
obesa
samudi ni ko be bi asa ye pon match no ena say okay onko fie na ade achi no se no wo so anadwo no mo fa ni de ko ebrui wantema mbobole bi and then I can say some of the club chairmen and team managers some are wicked.
They know it.
Omun nim say ade omun ya de be fit share me ko share club be match. Omo chi enye me na me ye o. Bo mo chi sa na ball na draw. Ena e catch omun say omun pe oba ne ho ye fe. Ye ya ade no gu coins mu say emfa coins ni man the man no be period. Sabi. Up to now again on up to now. Na eya has player ni nuaba
chemi mu kakra me ntiaze
get e sana has player bi ni nuaba sabo we bo no Kumasi
na e has ne kotoko match
anya has ne kotoko second division matches ni nuaba
on woda
oji sacrifice no na get any menses no go ye didn't womb a sacrifice.
Any no ma we are you.
And then niama abroad football no ye but because of obro need to me sit down no the busuma shedenu no we say dining fine. But because I said I was say dining fine ni fresh skin into who no say oh Jesus Christ ba. But abroad for mu busum sin. Yes sabi ye bibia sabi ye mfa nyansantum. Obi put me the idea about park e huna keke. And yes I bibi just then cast on so why bibi. Pa in psychological no so ye adwuma.
Ukoshe matches a udu ho pe utimi hu de obo lack no.
So was spiritualized.
Say wo.
Yes.
Good. Sheikh this year one are your favorite to win the league?
Do you be winning league you know. Osha Quran man yankobo say taharifuni kabila an tabuduni fa illam taharifuni fa kaifa tabuduni. Try to know me before worshiping me. Sawunimia and a misum bayadin. Spiritual eyes, your degree. I say every spiritualist be unnama with spiritual because of atamfu. What be some question? I say me be question unjuma. Na me hu baby ade ne be koto. Say me person me ye din ya baby me ne say be choki ni na ma choki ni na say na ka che we na be fa. Ba wo wan hwe ade no. Na wo say we na be fa. Na the end of the one kofa say shake na kamba trantro. Nti bibia wo be no wo hwe enti e bi mu hwe nkom about football na mbem. Obo watchi while say interview one pastor bi ota interview has ni kotoko no o ka say has an shedia na be ni nwanwa. Even while as born on spiritualist. Automatically say 3 goals in the Bible born. Or chen obi o see we man of God. Footballers say many pastors him. Pastor who person was oringu. Go so shem come of football. And yam frama ejuma. We have the spirit of air. And then omo ejuma. Nti what who say big pastors or we mu ye dey omo shem come what who say big about football. Obe pai was sorry. You are going to destroy yourself. Unim play ka.
Javi.
No ka chenko fu say this year my can play. Why go say play ka. This year nyame enkoe na year na do. Who is lying?
Enti
I had a press conference. Me chere do be win election. All the stars 90% of the stars journalists stars no biawa. Abate mo biawa. The loss of NDs I said it. Because 1 month na me check here and then me confirm is on me lose. Me can I have the clip here.
Na the every year.
Me chiro. Nta me si me bibia me hwe.
Na wa hwe.
Me hwe. Me hwe me kan. Just spice me become a kind of psychological because tension I will croon. And I mean some coach. Pa. The mean some coach no so. Nti say a prediction from Bejai. because waka abem waka mi no abem waka mi ensa abem nto waka yeso ye moti ya wo ye wo spirit wo ho no ye ka na mbem po na ama abem because na nsiesi ye din
you can dane still answer ba
ena me se me ka na enye sapo na mimi se we na me pese on wi ni na me kampo a na me didi agoropo a me ko na ma kobo nkon na ma bem se na be mimi din be champion wo ka 2-1 na me temi increase goal no ba ko se na be wo nsem ne bo ntina me ka chesi ya ne se hwe ye yem commission he ejuma sa na ye kasa enye se ye be kasa wo ye ntrowra because it is a fan e boba wo so na wo feel say how fan wo de wo ye nyame o me hu da seconds almost say saboko different place until to me who scores 2-0 because scores be are done 12 o'clock
midnight
12 o'clock e wia obesa on dani scores a unji go mfi won seto scores on dani wo park so until about 12 o'clock na one who scores na about 12 na dani a ene de o kan eno na bebim until me mouse scores a me make sure say my share up to the end me say we and failure and say my catch ball we say ene bebim Dewu against Accra Hasofu. Dewu be fami. Me ye jumane 2 days in amfa. 3rd day amfa is 2-1 against Dewu. So me ba Dewu. Me call stadium and I'm say me pe bro free. Na ma bro. That time no. Lack na has di ba no. Sa lack no wo nim na was almost step park no so first e be dani abaye ho ena me so mi hu sa de mi hu sa chiro de na me so mi catch de ufo no so mo ko park no that time na yen special dressing room until you call special park no so over 1 hour I was that come time no na obi aso on ko park no so left ma obi abegina line no so yen special no ena me ko catch de o chief support and they so on pushing Nicolas Ado ko park no so no puchi mo non catch a plans on step in on p ya fala kan na diku obe shagu na yenji that's spiritual oxide
wow
center no jina no shagu no go analyze my page ai that time na 1-1 and me catch the which am say time e be shagu nice e be shagu sisia 2 minutes to full time and the priest also answer heady ball no shape on go and the which am be so me na 2 me inside we ye ojefo mashallah so me Muhammad Sani na Kambu I disagree and conform because of football she nima a training interfere in ways and means obia playing a part ways and means motivation ye juma threatening ye juma bribing ye juma so I don't know we spiritualism fi obi ni ways and means in fasting no ye obi ni ways and means left no ku obi ni ways ta force subrebi omo pamplo kesesi so munya kwa na omo de cupboard na ehim cupboard yom kita pamplo say 10 different na cross kwa na ya jai cupboard no mo be ka se bomb we se ne se ne player adi ni sabo bona tupu ukasa ho pressure no po ukasa ho jigo ese mi nti obe ka se susubri e ko we die yesro first before obe ka so ko sa Yakubu Moro team ni friend say
Asna brekum Asna
tamno mo sisi ba uko ha no wusuro because otimu be uko chi na ya ball tie
park
ya ball tie aka che coach sit down
makohoda
nti ya ball tie on kasa fear and panic wo so but adene say eya ade a hintan niema ye mpese emma chance say 30 or 40% ne I say be to place no bia ni adwen akoto those kind of secret society say obi obeba TV society ye de ye ku na ye cultism or cultism is secret society and ya de ye bobo hu doru ho kron fo obeba wi ya no bo do man de ye ba just kill oh ye ready be wi ya wo betina atwa mo wande
etuo pa
no so wo betwa mo po so be prepare say prepare it's our motto
okay Ojefo Muhammad Sani na Kambu ene ne no din komo no wa football sunsun mu wiase ye de besi